got a package. Tevlaphee is partnering with us. They sent us their product so that I could kind of show you a little bit about it and give some demonstrations. Super excited, super blessed that somebody is wanting to partner with us to highlight their stuff. So without any further ado, let me open this real quick and show it to you guys. So this is the tevlaphee wheel lock. It's kind of made for preventing car theft, securing your vehicle, all that, which could not have been perfect timing because, as some of you know, I'm leaving for Korea tomorrow and my car is going to be parked for 3 to 4 weeks in long-term parking. So this is great timing on the product. So what we'll do is we'll cut to the next segment of this video is going to be showing you how to put it on the car and give a demonstration. It's really intended to kind of protect your investments, make sure you don't have to worry about too much or anything. Kind of protects your wheels too while you're doing it. But really, this is just an anti-theft device, which is great because for me, I'm about to have to leave my car parked for a while. So absolutely perfect timing. So without further ado, we'll cut to the video in 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, now that we're outside, this is the easiest thing to install. All you do is you open it up, come around your tire, put it back in until it locks, until it's lined up. Then all you do is you take your key, push it in, turn it. You got a little dust cover right here, just like that. Ready to go. Car's locked, nobody's gonna mess with it. So super easy product, great timing. Got it right before I put my car in long-term storage. But yeah, easiest thing. And then to take it off, all you do is you take your key, open up your dust cover, put your key in, then you're just gonna push in. It's gonna open, comes right off. Too easy. All right, guys, so here's the instructions for this. You'll get these obviously once you purchase it. These are the 4 steps you just saw me do outside. This is an example of the different keys you're going to get. So you can have one for you, one for your wife, and one to give to your brother or sister just in case. And then this product itself, very clean, very nice. It's good for 7.5 to 11.8 inch tires. It's got 9 different holes so that you can ensure you have a nice tight fit around your individual vehicle's width of the tire. It's got a copper locking cylinder, so it's not going to rust. And overall, it's not ugly. So that's perfect. Well, I'm going to use this to keep my car safe as I'm leaving the country, putting it in long-term storage. And hey, hopefully this works for you guys as well. See ya.